So what I'm trying to show you is an envelope and how to make them. This is the um, glued paper, like two thin papers I glued together, and I cut out from a stencil, and I'm showing you where to put the glue to put the envelope together. I will put a link down to stencils and templates. Yeah, so this is the template that I cut out. It's a bit of sturdy paper, and I'm doing voiceover because it was noisy in the background when I actually filmed this. So yeah, I traced around on the paper and cut out, and I had this. On the both sides there were pretty images, so I used the kitchen for the inside of an envelope. And here I'm using the ruler to get a nice crisp edge from one notch to another notch, and I just pull over the tab and smooth it with my finger. And I do this on all the other three tabs. I pull over and smooth. I use the ruler because it's easier, and you can do it in batches and cut out all the papers, and then use it like in front of the TV or something, just ruler and finger and pressing. Now I'm pressing with the bond folder all the creased areas, and I flip it around and I press with the bone folder again, and here it is. It's an envelope. This is an envelope. It's a food envelope, and it's really cute, I think, and you can really repurpose all the magazines and stuff. If it's really thin paper, then you can actually glue two sheets together. I use the glue stick because it's easier. Sometimes I use this glue that you see because it's in small amounts. It doesn't really how to say, wet the paper a lot, and it does not rip, or it looks nice. So I put a thin strip of the glue on both sides of the bottom flap, the bottom flap, and I fold it over, and that's it. It's really easy to make a lot of envelopes. You can print a template out on 2 sheets of paper, or you can design your template whatever measurements you want. You can write on the thick paper, and yeah, this is the envelope. This is another one that I cut out because I didn't want you to see me cutting out the envelope, because that would take a lot of time. So, and I'm just repeating the same steps than before, folding all the flaps in and using the bone folder. You can use anything else. I don't know, the not a sharp object or a sharp edge of something. like the back of the scissors. I use that, like the handle. That works fine too. Or something that it's not very sharp, so you don't cut it. And I glued again the left and the right side of the flap, the bottom flap, and it's really simple, simple steps, and it looks very good. It looks very good, handmade, but nice looking. And I like this one because it has a lot of text and gray images, black and gray, and the inside is two children with playing. I use the bottle cap of the cap of the stick glue stick, sorry, and just use the pen to actually put a curved I don't even know how to say, to put a curve on the top flap, so it looks more it looks nicer, I think. I usually, I don't do it for everyone, but for the nice ones I do it because I like it better. Yeah, and you can see it. It looks really neat. So I'm gonna probably show you here all the others that I made yesterday. Oh, I'm showing here. It's easy to put something in. I don't know why I did that, but yeah. This is what I made today, and these are from yesterday and day before that, I think. It's phone book paper, the third one, and this is something from flyers and collages and coloring paper, coloring books. That was collage, that was stamped. Um, this was, oh yeah, again with phone book paper. This little one is from another template. Um, I'm gonna show you the template. It's different template, and it gets you smaller one and more rectangular one. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. But I'm gonna put for both of the